Hello and welcome back to Java Python Interview Hub. Our today's question is, what is the use of the order by clause in SQL? The short answer is, order by is used to sort the result set by one or more columns in ascending or descending order. The explanation with a simple example: select star from students, order by marks DESC, means it will sort all the students by marks in a descending order. Default is ascending, DESC for the reverse order. Cannot sort by multiple columns. If you like, so comment and subscribe our channel. Will guide you for most important questions of SQL. Thank you very much, guys.